Polar cyclone, 1970, Bangladesh and India. The deadliest tropical cyclone on record. It killed over 500,000 people with its 45-fringe storm surge. Tri-state tornado, 1925. USA. A single tornado path across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana left 695 dead. The longest-lasting tornado in U.S. history. 2003 European heatwave, Europe. Soaring temperatures led to an estimated 70,000 excess deaths, crippling healthcare systems across France, Spain, and Italy. Cyclone Nargis, 2008, Myanmar. Storm surge and flooding claimed over 138,000 lives, devastating the Irrawaddy Delta's rice crops. 1974. Super outbreak, USA and Canada. 148 tornadoes in 24 hours, including 30 F5 twisters, killed 335 people across 13 states and Ontario. Hurricane Patricia, 2015, Mexico. The strongest landfalling hurricane ever measured, with sustained winds of 215 mph. Though sparsely populated landfall limited fatalities. Mount Pinatubo eruption, 1991, Philippines. Ejected 10 kilometers of ash into the stratosphere, cooling global temperatures by 0.5 degrees Celsius for 2 years. Cyclone Idai, 2019, Mozambique and Zakat. Heavy rains and flooding left over 1,300 dead, displaced hundreds of thousands, and triggered a massive humanitarian crisis. 2018 Camp Fire, California, USA. The deadliest U.S. wildfire in a century, it destroyed the town of Paradise and killed 85 people. 2002 European windstorm Debbie, UK and Ireland. Gusts over 100 km/h toppled trees and buildings, causing widespread power outages and at least 22 deaths.